I came to Sweden 2015. It was very tough as a 13 years old boy who came to Sweden alone without any family, and I was very lost when I came into together and met a lot of new people, new friends, new mentors, and they helped me with my training, with my Swedish, with my English.
The cooperation between Scania and War Child started somewhere around 2017. Together, the idea was to empower youth who were newly arrived in Sweden with Scania's mentors. They provide guidance, they provide advice, they sometimes provide references when they're looking for jobs. It's both fun, but also very much personal development for the youth.
Our social impact initiatives create the possibilities for Scania and those of us who work here to contribute to society wherever Scania operates.
The main reason why I volunteered to be a mentor was that it aligned very well with both my personal values but also Scania values. When I was at their age, I always wished that I had this opportunity to have a mentor that could give me some advice and guide me in the right way. But I quickly realized that it was as much as a receiving experience as a giving experience. So I actually learned a lot from the mentees. To be a mentor, it's a wonderful experience, and you will learn a lot from that.
At Scania, we're dedicated to sustainable transport, but we're also committed to people's sustainability in our company and the world around us. Part of that work is making social impact. We do so by coordinating the creation and development of global frameworks. We care about ensuring people's sustainability. It's an essential part of our core values, and together is a vital part of our wider social impact work. It's fun, it's rewarding, and it can help transform people's lives for the better.